there. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and use the CLOZEit add-on in Docs. So the first thing we need to do is go to Docs. Once we're in Docs, we're going to click on Add-ons, and we're going to click on Get Add-ons. From here, you're going to search for CLOZEit. Once you see it, you're going to click on the add-on and click Install and allow permissions. Now that you've installed CLOZEit, you can take any notes that you have for your class and make them cloze notes. All you need to do is highlight the words that you want to remove and replace with blanks. Here I've highlighted 3 words. Now that my words are highlighted, I'm going to go to Add-ons, click on CLOZEit, and click Start. CLOZEit will open up on the right side of my screen and give me 3 options. First, it'll ask how I selected my text, if I highlighted it or underlined. I highlighted my word, so I'm going to keep highlighted, but you could also underline. Then it gives you 3 options of cloze notes. One is simple, which means all the selected words are fully blanked out. So you'll get this. It'll remove the highlighted words and put a blank where they are, a randomized word bank at the bottom. My other option is to click on option number 2 with hints. So if I create a worksheet with hints and a word bank, what it'll do is remove the words and create a word bank, but leave the first letter of the word that the students need on the blank. Like example has the E, remove has the R, and CLOZEit has the C. Now the students are able to type directly on the notes and type their notes in, easily created by you. I hope this is helpful. See you next time. Bye.